everyone, this is Bishaka Jain, and I am here to talk about how to charter your career paths in the field of cybersecurity. So, let's begin. About me, I am a security consultant at IBM. I am the community lead for InfoSec Kids, an initiative for spreading security awareness amongst kids and their parents who are not into security. I am a marketing apprentice at Rainbow Secure, which is said to be the revolution of password security. And I am an active cybersecurity speaker around the globe at various conferences online and around India. So let's begin. First of all, before getting into cybersecurity, there has to be an afterthought as to why you are here in the first place. So, what questions should be asked and how to approach the line which is so popular now with the pandemic in place and when the world has no choice but to go digital? The first question, why information security? The answer would be that because humans are the weakest as well as the strongest link because they are the users of the internet. So, as a human being, it is our duty to give back to the society, which has given us a plethora of opportunities to bask upon. So, a security practitioner, the bigger goal that he carries on his shoulder is to protect the world of internet through his practices. So, yes, that is why cybersecurity. How to go about it? There can be various ways, which I will be definitely discussing going forward, as to how to approach and get into the stream if you are already at it, not at it, or want to go to it. How to embrace diversity. There are so many streams of cybersecurity for the world, and we have to choose where do we belong. It is not just about technical things. It is not just about processes. It is not just about products. It is not just about uh, awareness, but the culmination of all of these churn into a cohesive whole. What is my pot of gold in this domain? So, since I said the various bigger umbrellas of security, I talked about them. So, one has to identify one where does one belong in this esteemed domain. So, going forward, let's talk about the various types of security. First is infrastructure security. When we go to a local mall or for that matter any public places, the CCTV cameras that we see, that is something that protects the infrastructure of that place. So that is what infrastructure security is all about. Application security, the various apps that we use, Facebook, Google, Twitter, Gmail, etc., how to protect those apps from the potential attackers is what application security looks into. Network security, we are all connected to networks and our data is stored in the cloud with lots of sensors, actuators and processors. So these three things comes under network security, cloud security and internet of things security. Cybersecurity in the industry. So when we see the bigger picture as to how security is perceived in the industry, leaving behind what are the academical aspects of security, we will find these are the few of the very branches that security belongs to. It can be business continuity planning, it can be standards and compliance, security strategy, risk management, identity access management, offensive side, fraud detection, forensics, penetration testing, blockchain, cloud security, defensive side. And trust me, these are just few of them. There is neurodiversity and whatnot. So the umbrella is so big and the ocean is so broad and as deep as well. There is no limit to as to what you can explore, and it is a constantly evolving industry. You do not go stagnant in this industry. That is the beauty about security. So yes, this is a very interesting place where you will have to put your learner shoes on and go about explore various things, identify where you belong, and then the world is yours to conquer. What are those basic skills to focus on? When we talk about security, there are lots of things that we have to focus on. It is not just about coding, it is not just about mathematics or analytics or statistics. It is the culmination of, again, so many things: your soft skills, your empathy, the design thinking approach. Everything comes under this picture, the skills that you have to focus on. And the sooner the better. If you are good at mathematics, you will be a pro in cryptography, in blockchain security, as well in analytic skills too. Programming, statistics, with the code that you will be able to break the code that the hacker has put into place to attack the system. Communication skills too, because you cannot be a pro without being able to communicate things to the people. Hence, the communication skills are very important. Teamwork environment. So we know about red team, blue team, and what not team, right? Because the practitioners, they talk about ideas, and then they turn their ideas into one solid system. Being in security, you cannot work in silos. So hence the teamwork thing has to be there. That aura, that persona that you have to work in team and resonate with your own team has to be there. Problem solving skills, how to step into the shoes of a hacker or the problem creator and then think like them. Security does has this also inside. So the more curious you are, the better you will do in security. So that this is a never ending process, and that is the beauty about this domain. So going forward, why cybersecurity is necessary? Because with the digital transformation that has happened, oh, in no time, with the advent of the pandemic, we cannot just say that we are using internet, consuming internet for entertainment. From entertainment to studies to work to what not, even for buying vegetables, we use internet these days. So that is why you, and the more you use the internet, the more attackers are there who are trying to identify your pain points and breach your identity, thief, steal your identity. The risk of cyber attacks is huge. With the more number of users and unaware users increasing, the risk is very, very huge. So that is why cybersecurity is no longer an option. It is the need of the hour. So yes, that is why it is very necessary to see things with insecurity eye. So when you talk about careers in security, how do you get into it and how do you engage yourself in learning? So there are many ways that you can do, but out of those, some of the handpicked ones which I would like to mention are: first, through mentoring. There are various communities across the globe which are very helpful to people who wants to learn and grow in security. You can enroll in any one of them and go ahead. You will be assigned a mentor, and then the mentor will be giving you homeworks which you have to do with proper hands-on and knowledge sharing. One can always rise and shine in this security domain. Hackathons capture the flags. So these are competitions which happens across the globe, again through various communities. So if you are a gamer, a coder, or someone who wants to play with security with an eye for detail and commitment to creativity, I think these are the competitions that belongs for you. And there are very huge prize monies involved as well. So why not? Blogs, news, YouTube channels. There are umpteen amount of security blogs which exist, news, white papers. So get enrolled yourself in such segments and subscribe to such channels and go about explore the world of security and rise and shine. Workshops that too happen at various colleges, or for that matter, even at even at organizations. Enroll yourself in those free workshops that happen through various communities, and learn about the various things going on in the industry and in the world of security, and then you can get involved, and with proper hands-on and mentoring, I think you can any day get into security, whether you have started your journey from day one or you want to get into security after spending an humble amount of time in some other fields. There are people who were not at all from IT background, still they came into security. Reason being, first, they wanted to give back. Second, that security has the most important quality that is required to be into the field of cybersecurity is empathy. When you can empath with anyone, and you have the desire to help someone, I think security is a better career for you. So yes, and coding and other things, technical process and all those will come along, follow suit with the idea of just and urge of getting into it. So before we come to the end of our session, I would like to quote my mentor: unlike real wars, fight against cybercrime has no definite boundaries. No matter where you are, every new cybersecurity expert counts. So my mentor Lakshmi Nair, who happened to be a security warrior herself, she vehemently preaches that every person, every cybersecurity expert is important. Every thought process is important. No idea is a bad idea. And that exactly has to be the approach when one approaches this esteemed domain, and beautifully so. So that was my time. You can connect with me on LinkedIn as well as on Twitter through my handle Euphoric Win. And thank you.